25-minute drive.
What? 25-minute drive? Oh my god, damn! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna go to a car meet. Let's go. You ready to go to the car meet?
Let's go,
Let's
bro.
go!
32 minutes away. How did it get lower? That doesn't make any fucking sense.
Ready, Alex? Yeah. Okay, there's some information about this meet is that it's the first meet ever, so I don't know if anyone's actually gonna show up.
Hopefully.
There's hosts, so I'm assuming there's at least like 10 people that run it, so we'll go see what happens. So we just made it to the meet. You'll see some clips of the cool cars that are here.
Camel 98. What the fuck?
Fuck is this ugly piece of shit?
Oh, what is this? Matte black and that's gloss
Dude, that's
black?
ugly. Ugly. What is?
Oh, fuck you.
Dude, Riley.
No, you're dead.
Riley. Riley. Faggot. Riley, where are you going? Where are you going? What? Look at us. Riley.
What's up, bro?
You're looking hella cute.
Monitoring in process. Look at him screaming.
He just slows back. What's up, bro? Oh,
Please get him. Get him. Hey, get the horn.
I got the helmet. I got the helmet.
Black off lap.
Oh my god.
Oh, straight.
No! Oh my god.
No, I did. I was watching him in my mirror.
No, it goes way beyond that. This
I
blows me
do
away. How'd you manage to get a hold of something like this? I just can't believe you got this for the 8.6. That's amazing.
I don't want to walk. No dink squad?
So the meet ended and now we're just gonna get some food. Right, Riley? Yeet!
Recording me.
Okay, so I just dropped off Alex. Now I get a.
It's not, the seatbelt's not working.
Now I say bye to my son. Bye, Riley.
I'm gonna hit my car.
Bye, Riley.
Bye, Jesus. I will see you later.
Alright, bye.
I need to make sure I have all my shit because I brought a lot of shit. Oh,
Your penny
I farted
bird?
in there just for you.
You're fucking nasty. I hate parking like this, how I just parked.
Dick.
Okay, so right now I just dropped off Riley. Right now I need to go put in gas because look at that. It's not good. Barely on E. See if I make it anyways, alright. that's the end of the video. I know it wasn't that much into cars, like it wasn't like, it was just kind of like a bunch of random clips. I'm new to this, doing this like more in public where people just see me more rather than just having an open space and just being by yourself. That was a very good experience, just seeing how people reacted. Most people didn't really care. I don't think why they really care, but next time I will get more clips of more cars, just try to show more. And you see this jacket, or this hoodie right here, is from Tuner Crate, and I will be making a review on it. Have some good and bad on the product. So yeah, that basically wraps up episode 1. I think this is just going to be an entire series. I'm not sure what the name is going to be. I'll think of something. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.